Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I am going to show you today how to turn this into this. Just a super neat little trick, super easy, and a cute way to customize things. So let's go ahead and get started. If you have not already, subscribe now. Coming out with new videos once every 4 or 5 days or so. Just lots of neat little tricks to make you a better designer. So subscribe now. You'll get notification when the new videos come out. And also join me on Facebook. We have a fantastic group of about 120,000 people. It's called Cricut and Silhouette for Beginners. Super friendly, super knowledgeable, super helpful. Just an all around great group. I'll link that in the description. We'd love to have you come join us. Um, I will also link in the description this font that I used. This is one of my absolute favorite fonts. It is actually a duo. So, and in both of them I use all the time. I use the sans serif a lot too. So I'll link that, and I'll also link this wreath set. There's 3 wreaths in the set. Again, just really pretty. So I'll link that in the description also. Let's go ahead and get started. We can get rid of this and take this and move this over here. Let's go ahead and turn this just a little bit. And now take your text and double click your text. You'll get this crosshair right here. Take that and drag that over to, you're going to want it on top. On the outside, I guess is what I mean. Right about right there works for me. And then you see the slider right here. Do you see that? So slide that down till your text comes right about right there or so. Click off of it. Actually, click back on that and then right click and click ungroup. Okay. And now move this over and select all of this. Oops. Got to make sure you do not select that. You just want your text. Make sure you don't move it on accident. And then up here is your weld, or you can also right click and click weld. Okay. Move this over here. Take this and put it back where you're going to want it there, right about right there or so. On the left-hand side over here, make yourself a box. Okay. And then right click that box and click send to back. Oops. That's not what we wanted. Drag your box over here. You're going to want to take it just inside of the first letter. Click on it to get your this, I don't know what that's called, and then pull that out so that you're just covering that second letter. Don't want to bring it all the way to the outside of it, but just close. Okay, and then come in from over here so that you're just selecting just your wreath in the box. And then over here on your right hand side, click your modify panel, and then you are going to click divide. Now you wait a second. Okay, and then you can get rid of this, get rid of that, this over, get rid of that. Okay, and now you're going to take this and put this right there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And then you can go ahead and you can select your wreath in your text, right click, and click weld. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a super easy little trick. Something cute that I have done with it is I have taken and made like the onesies for newborn through 12 months. So I just recently, actually just today, took and instead of putting a name here, I put the letter 1 and then inside I put 1 month. And I'm going to do that and I'm going to make the whole set and it's going to be super cute. So there's just a lot of neat little ideas that you can do with this trick. Like I said, join us on Facebook, subscribe now. I'll link everything in the description. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask. Have a good day. Bye.